Today we've got the Dennis FT and it's set up with a Verticut reel in it. The reason we're using that today is to clean out the surface after the winter break. So we're not going very deep with it, it's only set very shallow, and we're chopping out all the horizontal growth and a little bit of the surface thatch. So we've fitted the FT with a tungsten tipped Verticut reel. So we've got 1mm blades at close centres. We've set it roughly very lightly using the click adjusters here, but in work we can adjust it up or down very easily without the need of any tools. So we'll try it without the box on to show the effect of what's being removed. If we want to go a little bit deeper, it's very easy to do by just adjusting the click adjusters here on the front of the machine. So today we've been using the Dennis FT, but it's fitted with a brush cassette. We're using it as a clean-up after verticutting and scarifying. The biggest advantage of using the FT with any of the cassettes is the ease of changeover. It's just a simple hand screw at one side, wind it all the way out, pull the cassette towards you and remove. In this case we're going to change over to mowing, so we've got a 10 blade cassette here. Just locate it on the two pegs at the front, drop it over to the back, locate your dog drive at this side, slide it along, tighten your hand screw back up, and we're now ready to go cut grass.